Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious eclairs at home without an oven. We will create a delightful no-bake dessert that captures the essence of eclairs using simple ingredients. This method is perfect for a quick treat, avoiding any baking. You will layer graham crackers with a creamy filling and a rich chocolate topping, making a satisfying dessert for any occasion. First, let's prepare the creamy filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 small packages of instant vanilla pudding mix with 3 1/4 cups of cold milk until it thickens. In a separate bowl, beat 8 ounces of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the pudding mixture until it is smooth and well combined. This creates a luscious, pipeable filling. Now, it's time to assemble your no-bake eclairs. Line the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with a single layer of graham crackers. Next, spread half of your prepared creamy pudding mixture evenly over the graham crackers. Add another layer of graham crackers, then top with the remaining pudding mixture. Finish with a final layer of graham crackers to complete the base. For the finishing touch, let's make a simple chocolate glaze. Combine 1 1/2 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add just enough milk, about 3 to 4 tablespoons, to achieve a smooth, slightly runny consistency. Pour this glaze over the top graham cracker layer. Refrigerate your eclairs for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow them to set perfectly. Finally, remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.